Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we will explore Ford in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of July in the year 2024, our system has identified Ford as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.92. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 12.46%. This equates to an average loss of 1.25% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this scenario may present a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the price breaks below the bottom trend line of $9.70, it would signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it indicates a possible decrease of 1.51% over the next 3 months, with a projected return that could range from a decline of 2.19% to an increase of 46.17%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests an expected change of 6.82% within the next year, with potential returns varying between 6.24% and 59.65%. This implies a price range of $10.38 to $15.60 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline, Ford stock price down 100.12% on Wednesday. The Ford stock price experienced a decline of 100.12% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, dropping from $9.78 to $9.77. During this trading session, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 2.36%, with a low of $9.75 and a high of $9.98. Notably, the price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days, reflecting a total decline of 28.53% over this period. Additionally, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 44 million shares, with a total of 61 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $598,280,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $14.85, while the lowest price reached $9.49. Currently, the stock price stands at 34.21%, or $5.08 below the 52-week high, and 62.23%, or $16.10 below the all-time high recorded on January 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $25.87. Ford Motor Company is currently facing multiple investigations related to potential securities fraud. Several law firms have announced their intention to look into claims that the company may have issued false or misleading statements to investors. These developments arise at a time when Ford stock trades at approximately $10 per share, significantly lower than its pre-inflation highs. The implications of these investigations can have both short-term and long-term effects on Ford's stock price. In the short term, the announcement of such inquiries may create uncertainty among investors, potentially leading to a decline in stock value as shareholders react to the news and assess the risks of potential legal repercussions and financial penalties. This situation could also deter new investors, negatively impacting stock liquidity. In the long term, the outcome of these investigations will be crucial. If Ford is found liable for any misconduct, this may lead to substantial financial damages and further erode investor confidence. Conversely, if the investigations conclude without significant consequences, it could pave the way for a recovery in investor sentiment, potentially stabilizing or enhancing Ford's market position. Given the current economic climate and Ford's historical trading performance, these legal challenges add another layer of complexity as the company navigates a competitive automotive landscape. Investors are advised to monitor these developments closely as they unfold. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a neutral grade to F, coupled with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated F as overweight with a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital gave F a sector perform grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024, it was reported that Barclays rated F as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned F an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Ford stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is also deemed neutral, as is the price-to-book ratio. Regarding return on investment, analysts maintain a neutral rating for the stock as well. The following signals have been identified for Ford. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 0.618%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. However, several negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term outlook. Ford stock is currently receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $10.23 and $12.37. A breakout above any of these thresholds will generate buy signals. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands reflect a buy signal from 18 days ago. The short-term moving average has issued a sell signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a sell signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 11 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Ford currently finds support from accumulated volume at $9.71. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and given the extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the course of the last day, the stock fluctuated 230 cents between its high and low, which represents an increase of 2.36%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 3.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Ford, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low P/E ratio may indicate that the market has low expectations for the company's future, or it could mean that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 50 cents. It's important to watch these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $11.16. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Ford faces its first support level at $9.71. If this support level holds, it could present an advantageous entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Ford from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 11th of July, 2024, Cisneros Adriana made an insider purchase of 0 shares with no derivative securities owned. On the same day, Cisneros Adriana again made an insider purchase of 0 shares with no securities owned. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford made an insider purchase of 4,386 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the same day, English Alexandra Ford conducted another insider purchase of 14,620 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford also executed an insider sale of 5,848 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 29.272. In total, insiders have purchased 6,791,149 shares and sold 3,592,940 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Ford stock a good buy? Currently, Ford exhibits several concerning indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading session, our analysis suggests that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of August, we anticipate Ford will open at approximately 0.0633 and begin trading at 9.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.